And the race is on. It's June again. Len from the outside is unequal. Down the inside is Bodica. Rushing up is Tarlac. And entry number 1, Rockefeller is the early trailer. It's June again by Sam Tulengs, followed by unequal. Len is racing third. From the outside is Tarlac, Bodica, and Rockefeller. And during the far turn, it's June again and equal. Len joining them and Tarlac. Rounding the far turn, it's June again and equal. Danori inside. Len is running by Darrell and Tarlac. And at the far turn and equal this time by head, it's June again. Len is racing third. Tarlac Danori inside as they race the final corner. Unequal by ahead. It's June again. Len on the outside and Tarlac Danori inside. Unequal this time by about 2 lengths. It's June again. Len Tarlac and Rockefeller. And nearing the finish line, unequal. Draws clear by about 5. And finally unequal. It's June again. Len Tarlac, Rockefeller, Bodica comes last.